Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I have the brand new 2019 Dodge Ram. This specific one is the Laramie model. Look at the window sticker here. This is the Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab 4x4. Base price of $45,695. Total price with all the options this car has, or truck, is $51,855. Taking a quick walk around here, it's a very, very good looking truck. Very good looking truck. Here you have your blind spot monitoring sensors there. Take a look in here, very nice interior. Very nice interior. Of course, here's your key here. Once you're inside, it's a very nice place to be. Of course, it is push button start. Put your foot on the brake, push the button to go. So in this one, you have heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as cooled seats. You have your different buttons here: tow haul mode, traction control, stability control, off, volume. And yeah, you can also shut the screen off if you want. You have your media settings, climate control, put it at 68. So yeah, you also have the opening rear window. So yeah, let's go ahead, take a drive. Rotary gear knob, has some nice weight to it, and it's like a metal feel to it. Feels great. Try the turning radius here. Pretty good for a truck. This specific one has the 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine. So here you can see the previous generation Ram. This one's the Eco Diesel. So you can see how this one definitely looks different from the other generation of Ram. Squeeze out of this gate here. Very, very quiet drive. My family used to own a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500, same trim level as this one, and it drives very, very similar to that one. It just feels a little bit more luxurious. Put the cooled seats on, see what that's like. Transmission's awesome. Very smooth shifting. Gets it done quick. It's very nice, very comfortable. And that cooled seat is very nice, very cold. I also like how the RPM gauge, I'm sure you can see it now, is sort of tilted to the side a little bit. So where your revs are gonna be the majority of the time is right in your line of vision, right up near the top of the gauge, which is great because normally it would be down at the way bottom like the speedometer is. It would be around like 20 or 40 miles an hour kind of range right down there. And it's just hard to see and gauge. Now it's just a quick glance down, you can see right where it is. Nice Miata Club right there. It's a fun car. Just did a video on one just like that one actually. Oh, it's got a ton of power, a lot of torque. Overall, this is an awesome truck. Very good job to Ram making this vehicle. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video of the 2019 Ram 1500. And please stay tuned for future videos. Have a great day, guys.